Alright, and here's the same baby after several days later. So we fed him last time, and she's been doing pretty good. She's pretty grown up now, as you guys can see. Yeah. Oh, look at her. He can fly. Woo! Yeah, it started flying. The baby has started flying now, as you guys can see. I don't know where the mom is at, but you gotta go up and sit. Look at him running all over. Running all over. You gotta go up. My dog is gonna kill you. Yeah, I just don't want you to die. Look at the baby. It's running on the ground. I need to put her up because dogs sometimes kill the babies, and that will definitely destroy this bird. Yeah. Look at this. You need some worms? The other son. इसको mom छैन त Your mom is not here, baby. Sit here, okay? Alright, you sit here. Do not go on the ground. My dog is gonna kill you, okay? Yeah, look at this. She's pretty grown up now compared to last time. She has some coloration going on the chest, and her baby fur feathers are gone. And she can fly a little bit, but I just want to put her up here, the same spot, because sometimes she will fly out and dog will catch it and she'll be killed. Yeah, baby bird, you gotta stay here, okay? Yeah, you gotta stay here. This is so close for you guys to watch. You guys can see. Look at this. Oh, I can touch her. And open the mouth for me. Now opening the mouth. Oh, look at her. She flew. Don't do that. You're gonna get killed by a dog. Don't go anywhere. Go back to the tree. Go back to the tree. You gotta go back. You gotta sit here. No, I'm not doing anything for you. Ah! भित्र छिरो नकराउनु नि भित्र छिरो Oh my goodness, he's going all Don't run. You're gonna get killed by dogs. You gotta stay right here, okay? Alright, you stay right there. Alright guys. She needs to be saved.